Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in to the very first Everyday Forage, Remembering and Reconnecting to Perennial Plants. This is the first mini episode of a year-long series that will be covering perennial plants, both starting off here locally within the Midwest between grow zones 5 and 6, and then slowly moving its way around to other grow zones and hopefully internationally. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. This will help get the word out to other folks who may be interested in connecting with perennial plants through food. If you leave a comment down below of how you enjoy juniper, how you engage with the plant, perhaps if you've planted it before, any kind of stories around this plant, as well as like and subscribe, you will get a chance to win the Juniper-Elderberry syrup that is shown within the video, as well as a 2022 foraging calendar. This calendar is primarily for grow zones 5 to 6. There will be some fluctuating, obviously crossovers with plants and stuff in other spaces, but it was designed primarily here in the Midwest. If you want more of this type of information and would like to engage within a larger community, there's still time to sign up for either monthly or annual memberships through loveandcollections.com. This is a chance where you'll get one-on-one time with me. If there's any questions on where to find these plants within urban spaces, suburban spaces, rural spaces, or any types of questions in terms of planting, utilization, ritual around the plants, as well as culturally salient and historic usage. And that's it for this month. Thank you all for watching. Happy foraging, and I'll see you all in February.